Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Noura. Noura loved stories and legends, and she always read books about adventures. One day, Noura found an old lamp in the storage room of her house. Noura decided to clean the lamp and make it a decoration for her room, but as soon as she started cleaning it, blue smoke came out of the lamp and a small smiling genie appeared. The genie said, "Thank you for freeing me. I am the genie of the lamp, and I can grant you one wish." Noura was amazed, but thought quickly and said, "My wish is to live an unforgettable adventure." The genie smiled and said, "As you wish." He struck the lamp with his hand, and suddenly Noura found herself in a magical world full of fantasy. Noura saw tall castles, enchanted forests, and creatures she had never seen before. While she was exploring the place, she found a white horse with wings. It said to her, "My name is Noor, and I am here to accompany you on your adventure." Noora got on the flying horse's back, and they took off together into the sky. They flew over sparkling rivers and towering mountains and saw imaginary kingdoms and strange animals. On their way they reached a city made of gold and diamonds. In the city they met a kind queen who told Noura, "I heard about your adventure, and we need your help. There is an evil dragon that wants to destroy our city." Noura was brave and said, "I will gladly help you." Noura used her intelligence and courage and devised a clever plan with Noor. They faced the dragon together and, with their clever strategy, managed to defeat the evil dragon and save the city. The queen thanked Noura and gave her a golden crown as a token of their gratitude. Afterward, Noura returned with Noor to the enchanted forest, and the genie told her, "It's time to go back." The genie struck the lamp again, and Noura found herself in her room. Noura was very grateful for the adventure she had lived and told it to her friends and family. She kept the magic lamp as a souvenir of that wonderful adventure. Note, this is a direct translation of the Arabic text, trying to maintain the same tone and style. However, some cultural nuances might be lost in translation, and there might be multiple ways to translate certain phrases.